Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Turner and I am your teacher librarian here at Rio Vista Middle School. Today we're going to be talking about databases. So what is a database? How do we get there? What's the purpose of them? If you're even here watching this video learning about databases, then you know they're to find resources. Sources for History Day, for Science Fair, for research articles, anything along those lines that you might need. That's what databases are for. So we're going to go ahead and look at some of our databases that we have available to you. How do we get there? Let's go ahead and take a look at that. If you go and you start at the Rio Vista Middle School website page and you go to our library page, you can locate that in one of two places, either under the Students tab or the About Us tab. In the About Us tab, you click Our Library, and in the Students tab, you click Library. So we'll go ahead and do it this way. Once you're here, you're going to see a number of different things on the home page, but we're going to go ahead and forego all of that and look just right here on our right-hand side menu. You're going to click Reference Desk. Once you click Reference Desk, you're going to see our Bitmoji reference desk. So this is me saying hi. And there's lots of different sources and items here for you to utilize, but we're going to go to the red picture frame and you're going to click on that. So that's where you can find our online databases. Now, our online databases are located at Destiny Discover, which hopefully you're familiar with. If you're not, please go ahead and look at it at a later date. Today, though, we're just going to go ahead and scroll past all the wonderful books that we have and go all the way down to the bottom called Learning Links. Now, these Learning Links are where our databases are located. Once you get to the databases, you can scroll using this live arrow, or you can click up here and say See All. Now, what are databases? Databases are a way for you to know that you are getting good, reliable sources, okay? And I say that slow and I say that deliberately because there's a difference between going onto Google and searching and looking at a database and searching. The difference mainly being that if you were to go onto Google and you were to search, or a Yahoo or Bing or anything along those lines, any internet web browser, if you were to try just to search on the internet, you have to verify that that is a reliable source. And you can use that by using the CARP test, which I'll talk about, which I talked about in an earlier video. But you need to verify it. The difference between you having to put in the extra work in verifying that it is a reliable source that you found on the internet and using a database is the database has already verified that the information that they are providing you is good, reliable, and factual information. Okay, those three things are very important. So if I'm going to tell you or suggest to you one way or the other about what I think you should use, whether I think you should search using a database or whether I think you should search using an internet web browser, I will always recommend a database first and a web browser second. Go ahead and see some videos that are coming up in my YouTube channel. You can see the link on our reference desk page for some tips and tricks on each of our wonderful databases. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.